I do that shit for fun. For every meal, I pop a pill. I do that shit till I'm dumb. I had your girl, she on my crib. That was a one-on-one. Smoking a bag full of that.
Fucking on my ex, we ain't apologize, cause I'm way too young. And I'd be like, why are you so obsessed? She like to fuck me, suck me, fuck me. I'm the ice cream man, she chunky monkey. She like to fuck me, suck me.
If you see us in the club, we'll be acting real nice. If you see us on the floor, you'll be watching all night. We ain't here to hurt nobody. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Wanna see you work.
If you're having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I've got 99 problems. But a bitch?
Ain't one.
Big chain, big Glocks, middle fingers to the cops. Roll around my neighborhood and end up in a.
Hello, and welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos family. My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Gus.
I get the bands, count the blue cheese. I do that shit for fun. For every.
What the? No! No, 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 no! She like that. Just make the bank with as soon as my bad.
I can't see my card, gang, weed, blogger, bar, switch, lane.
I just left the earth till that's crazy. Hold on, think I heard it first. Let 'em break me. I get this basic everything to cook.
Tell me who the fuck you wanna be.